post-game press conference. I'm joined by our winning coach, Coach Chot Reyes, and our player of the game, Ronde Hollis Jefferson. Congratulations, gentlemen. Coach Chot, it was more or less a one-possession ball game in the first half until the second half. What spelled the difference that enabled TNT to effectively close out this game despite missing key players?
Yeah, I think the difference was just in certain stretches, we were able to string together successive stops and scores. I think that was the key. Gave us a little buffer, an 8-10 point lead, I think. And we knew they would always come back. We've always had problems with this team. In fact, we haven't beaten this team in a long time. The last 2 games, I can remember, we lost to Northport. So we knew they would always come back. They have a strong lineup, good import, great players, well coached. So I thought that was the difference. In certain stretches, we were able to string together some scores and stops.
Coach, you already mentioned the comeback that Northport seemed like they were able to, at times, successfully orchestrate. But how did you more or less maintain control of the game? And is that the type of play that you really wanted to bring out from TNT coming from last conference?
Yeah, well, we knew we were going to have a difficult time. We mentally prepared ourselves for it because, as you said earlier, we have a lot of guys on injured list where we don't have the depth we normally have. So we just wanted to keep our nose a little bit in front, give key guys some rest. We were able to give Ronde a couple of minutes at the end of the first quarter and the end of the third quarter. That was important, I thought. Same thing with Calvin, Ray, Glenn, and Jason. So, you know, we just wanted to make sure that we keep our nose a little bit in front. We knew we were not going to win by a big margin because, like I said, we don't have the depth to do that. So we knew we were going to struggle, and we just mentally prepared.
Thank you, Coach Chot. Now, Ronde, it's your first win of the season. Can you just tell us how it felt like to be playing with the revamped lineup of TNT?
First, I want to give credit to the guys, you know, being focused and locked in. Like Coach said, we mentally prepared for a physical game, a tough game. And that's what they came out and did. But I want to give credit to our guys, Coach Chot and staff, you know, for preparing us and just being ready. You know, so that's what it's about at the end of the day, being ready.
Ronde, a lot of local players also stepped out and performed today. Can you just talk about the type of support that they were able to give you on court?
It was big. It was big, you know, because Coach says it all the time, like, we've been shooting the ball really well. And that's credit to those guys putting in the work there in the gym, getting shots in the weight room, and dedicating themselves to the sport. And at the end of the day, you get rewarded when you dedicate yourself to the game. And we see it. Coach believes in the guys. You know, he's set up for the game. You know, if you got an open shot, if you got a good shot taken, even if it's early in the shot clock, that just goes to show you the trust that the coach puts in his players. And that goes a long way. You know, from first guy to the 15th, that goes a long way. So.
Thank you, Ronde. Now we would like to open the floor to our friends from the media.
Congratulations on Ronde, is your third tour through the TNT. This year first was the championship last year, and the injury this time, the new lineup. What do you see your chances this time?
I like our chances. Like I just said, the guys are locked in and they're focused. And I feel like as long as we stay focused and we keep doing, you know, what Coach Chot wants to do, we stay locked into the process. I feel like the sky's the limit.
How do you like having Raymond Latak on the team?
I like him. He's shifty, quick. He plays hard, fearless. Yeah, I like him. I like him a lot.
Format natin kasi ngayon sa Overlist Cup. It's like group stage din. Parang iba ka, mas makakang dito. Paano niyo inaapproach yung format na to?
Well, it's new to everyone, so you know, as in anything in life, when you face a change or something new, you rely first on your preparation. So we just prepare ourselves to remain agile and adaptable to any situation. And then it's always a dual process. We look at the long range, but we also are disciplined enough to focus while we're looking at the long term. We're disciplined enough to focus on just what's in front of us. So right now, what's in front of us is Meralco on Thursday. So we know what we need to get done long term with this new format. But right now, our entire focus is our next game, and that's Meralco.
Just one question for Ronde. You've only been gone for a year from the lineup of the PNP. A lot has already changed. Of course, that includes the 4-point line. This is your first game playing on the 4-point line until the day. So can you just tell me your reaction and how did you approach it when you got into the arena and you saw it for the first time?
I took your loss when I heard about it. Is this real? I think it's interesting. I think it adds a different dynamic to the game. You know, at the end of the day, it adds, you know, just a challenge. You know, we got guys like, is it Tolentino?
Yeah,
he can shoot it from back there, so you got to be able to guard him at that range. And it challenges your teammates, it challenges the game. It gives the fans something to really, you know, look forward to celebrate that. I don't know a celebration for the 4-point shot yet, but I hope somebody, you know, makes it up. I might steal it.
Just want to ask how did this opportunity came about, because PNP had first choice in the game. So what happened?
I think that's more of a management question. I don't know about that.
Ask the guy in front of you.
They asked me to show up, but I can't. You know, they know how I feel about TNT, the players, the staff. It's like a family here, you know. And, it's not like it is a family, and I appreciate everything that they do. You know, my family being here, them supporting me, welcoming us. It's amazing. So it's a no-brainer when they call me.
Yeah, let me answer that, because he was really the one. We had set our mind on Ronde being an import, but then he was still playing in Puerto Rico. So we said there was no certainty when they would end. So we decided to fly somebody in first, but even Darius himself knew that he would be on an interim basis. In fact, he had an offer waiting for him in China. And credit to him, he came in and he worked, he pushed the other guys, kept us afloat until, fortunately or unfortunately for Ronde, fortunately for us, his team got eliminated early in Puerto Rico. So that opened the doors, and tamang-tama lang, because you know the plan, we thought he would come in later, but he ended up coming in earlier. So it worked out fine along the way.
Ronde, about your end, obviously playing in Puerto Rico, it seems like you're in full strength now after you had some injuries in your second stint here in the league. How's your health now after you got injured in your
Oh yeah, I'm good. I feel good. You know, still semi-young, depending on who you ask. But yeah, I feel good. Thank you for asking.
Okay.
Yeah, I had to clean it up. I like it clean.
Thank you. Isa pa.
Coach, ang first day you played in Meralco, champions of the Filipino, 13.
No, we don't consider them our sister teams. They're competition. They're competition. They're playing at a very high level, very high confidence, and they have a hell of an import in Durham. So, you know, we'll think about them. We'll start thinking about them tonight. We'll work on it in practice tomorrow, and then we'll see what happens on Thursday. But that's going to be a real test for us. Right. Thank you.
Thank you.
to bring him over.